Hi all, welcome to my channel Maya Journal. Today we will be making a crochet beanie. Material required is listed down here. You can choose the yarn of your choice and let's begin by making a slip knot here. The slip knot will form a loop for us. We have to yarn over and pull through that loop. There will be a new loop now. We have to yarn over and pull through that loop. Again, yarn over and pull through the loop. Yarn over and pull through the loop. Similarly, keep making the chains until you get 52 chains in total. Now, skip 2 chains and make a half double crochet in the third chain. Yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop. You will have 3 loops on the crochet hook. Yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops at once. This is a half double crochet. In the next chain, repeat, yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop. You will have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops at once. This is half double crochet in the next chain. Similarly, in the next one, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops at once. Similarly, make one half double crochet in each chain. At the end of the row, you will have 50 half double crochets in total. After you are done making 50 half double crochets in row 1, to begin row 2, we have to make 2 chains and turn the work. Now, we will make half double crochet in the next stitch but only through the front loop of it. So let's yarn over, insert the hook in the front loop of the stitch only through the front loop. Now yarn over, pull up a loop. You will have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops at once. Similarly, in the next stitch, yarn over, insert the hook only through the front loop, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops at once. Following, make the half double crochets through the front loop of each stitch. Here we can see the stitches which we have made through the front loops, and when you will turn the work, you will be able to see the back loops of the stitches. The line which is formed here are the back loops. Continue making half double crochets through the front loops till the end of the row. To begin a new row, row 3, we will make 2 chains and turn the work. Now in the next stitch, we will make half double crochet through the front loop of the stitch. Same as the previous row, we will make half double crochet in the front loop of each stitch. So by the end of row 3, we will have 50 half double crochets in total. Following the pattern, we will keep making the rows until we get the desired length. You can measure the circumference of the head and match it to the length of the project. I am going to make 70 rows for mine. After making 70 rows, we will get a rectangular fabric. Now we will fold it into a half and seam the edges with the help of darning needle. Let's secure the edges with the stitch markers. Now, before snipping off the yarn, we will measure the length of the tail for at least 4 to 5 times of the edge. Holding both the edges together, now we will sew through it. Insert the needle in the first stitch of the first piece. Now insert it in the first stitch of the next one and sew through it. Again through the second stitch of both the edges. In the third stitch of both the edges. Through the fourth stitch of both the edges, and so on. Sew it till the end and secure it well. Now we will close this open edge but with a different stitch. Here do not hold both the edges together. Instead we are going to work only through the one edge at a time. So with the help of needle and the yarn we will make running stitches at the edge. Keep making the stitches until the end of the round. Continue making one more round of the running stitch around the edge. Now gently pull the tail of the yarn and close the circle. Secure the end of the yarn with 2 to 3 knots and snip off the extra tail. Let's sew a wooden button at the top of it. Now let's turn it inside out. We are going to do the edging now, so make a slip knot so that we have a loop. Tie that loop to the edge of the project and make a slip stitch. So we will make a slip stitch in the first stitch, then make one chain. Again in the next stitch, let's make a slip stitch and make one chain. Repeat, make one slip stitch and one chain, one slip stitch and one chain. Repeat the pattern till the end of the round. It will give us a clean edge. Secure it with 2 to 3 knots and snip off the extra tail of the yarn. Fold a little piece upwards and stitch a tag to it. This is optional. Now let's add a fox fur pom-pom at the top of it. Here we will attach the elastic of the pom-pom to the wooden button that was sewed underneath. Finally, our handmade crochet beanie is ready to keep us warm in this winter season. If you like the video tutorial, please give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. Do subscribe to my channel for more creative tutorials and do not forget to press the bell icon. Stay warm, happy winters, have a good one. See you in the next one. Thank you.